Hello everyone, today we will see about guava fruit crop. Botanical name of guava is Physacidium guava java. Chromosome number 22. Common name apple of tropics, Puerman apple. Origin Peru. It is known as Peru in Marathi. Family Myrtaceae. 17th century fruit crop. Self pollinated crop. Some varieties of guava are Arka mrudula, बेहद कोकोनट, अलाहाबाद सफ़ेदा, अलाहाबाद सुर, चिट्टीदार, लखनऊ 49 और सरदार, एप्पल कलर, ललित, हापसी, शहरनपुर, Nagpur seedless are the variety of guava. If you like this fact, then subscribe my channel. Thank you.